Hello. Today I will show you how to access folders and files on your PC from your Android phone. For more tips and videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Now we will look how you can access your files on your PC. I will show you how to access it on Windows, but similar method can be used both on Linux and Mac. First thing you need to do on your Windows computer is to decide which folders you want to access. Let's say we want to access this folder with images of dogs. Right-click somewhere in the folder and select Properties. Switch to Sharing tab and click Share. Here you can choose who you want to share this folder with. We'll select the currently logged user. Click on Share button. You could also use advanced sharing for more control over share name and other options. That's it on the PC side. Now, let's switch to your phone or other Android device. We will use third-party app called Solid Explorer to access your files and folders on PC. You don't necessarily need to use Solid Explorer, you can use any other file manager which supports Samba protocol. For example, I usually use Total Commander with LAN plugin which can access shared folders. Go to Play Store and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it. We need to open Storage Manager, where we will add our PC. Click on the plus sign and then select LAN/SMB. Click Next, then select your PC. Here you need to provide your username and password for the account which is allowed to access folder which we shared. Now finish the wizard. Click Connect. Your PC has been added and you can open dog folder which you previously shared. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon, so you get notified about new videos.